Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to use Google Forms to create a test or quiz. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google Drive. Over here, click on the new button on the upper left side. After that, scroll down and select Google Forms, then click on Blank Quiz. Over here, give your quiz a name by clicking on the title at the top. After that, click on the Settings tab and toggle on Make this a quiz. Then go back to the Questions tab. Over here, click on the plus icon to add a question. After that, choose the answer type like multiple choice, short answer, or checkboxes and fill out your questions with answers. Then click on Answer key at the bottom of each question to set correct answers and assign points. After that, you can customize the theme and appearance of your quiz. Then click on Publish to make your quiz live. Finally, copy the share link to send it to others. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.